In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Teams. Whether you're completely new to Teams or you just need a quick refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be able to sign in using the fastest web-based method without getting lost or stuck along the way. We're going to use a web browser for this, which means you don't need to install any extra apps to get started. This is especially handy if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or you just want to jump into a meeting quickly. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in teams.microsoft.com and press Enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're typing this into the address bar, not into a search box on a web page, so you go directly to the correct site. Once the page loads, you'll see the Microsoft sign-in screen. Here, you'll be asked for your email address. This is usually the work, school, or personal Microsoft account that your organization or you use for Teams. Carefully type in your email address, checking for any typos, because even a small mistake can prevent you from signing in. When you're done, click the button labeled Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in the password associated with the email address you just entered. If you're on a private, trusted device, you may want to use your browser's option to show the password briefly so you can confirm it's correct before you submit it. On the other hand, if you're on a shared or public computer, keep the password hidden for security. After you've entered your password, click the Sign In button. If your email and password are correct, Microsoft Teams will begin loading. Depending on your account settings, you might see an additional prompt, such as staying signed in on this device. If you're using your own computer and want quicker access in the future, you can choose to stay signed in. If it's a shared device, it's safer to decline. Once Teams finishes loading, you'll be taken into the main web interface where you can access your chats, Teams, meetings, and calls. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged into Microsoft Teams using the fastest web-based path.